Every morning, a girl named Ria wakes up before sunrise. He looks at the mirror and says, I can do it. Ria belongs to a small town and her dream is to become successful engineer. People around her often say it's too hard for a girl from a small town. But Ria doesn't listen to negative voices. She studies every day, helps her mother, and still finds time to prepare for exams. Sometimes she feels tired and loses hope, but insists of giving up. She reminds herself why she started. She believes that success comes to those who keep moving forward. One day, she gets the result of her entrance exam. She passes with flying colors. Her eyes fill with tears, but they are tears of joy. She smiles and says, dreams do come true when you believe in yourself. Now Ria motivates other students. She tells everyone, don't wait for the perfect time. Start now, keep walking, and never give up. The moral of the story: hard work, confidence, and self belief can change your life. Every small step counts when your heart is full of determination.